Collocate underscore gradients underscore with underscore ops argument in TensorFlow. I'm trying to understand what this argument does. The TF API docs for Atom Optimizer's compute underscore gradients method say the following. Collocate underscore gradients underscore with underscore ops. If true, try collocating gradients with the corresponding op. But it is not clear to me. What does collocating gradients mean in this context, and what is the said op?
Collocate underscore gradients underscore with underscore ops equals false. Default. Compute gradients on a single poo, most likely /poo:0. Collocate underscore gradients underscore with underscore ops equals true. Compute gradients on multiple pus in parallel. In more detail. Collocate underscore gradients underscore with underscore ops equals false. Default. Only computes predictions in parallel and then move the computed predictions to the parameter server CPU, 0 or poo:0. And with predictions, the parameter server, single device, computes gradients for the whole batch, poo underscore count batch underscore size. Collocate underscore gradients underscore with underscore ops equals true. Place the computation of gradients on the same device as the original, forward pass, op. Namely, compute gradients together with predictions on each particular poo and then move the gradients to the parameter server to average them to get the overall gradients. Reference 1 at Marie. Reference 2 at St. Nick.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.